How to recover your Spotify account. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, please subscribe to the channel as our channel is really small and it will help us grow. Now let's head to the video. Open the Chrome browser first and you have to search for Spotify recovery account. Once you search that, you have to click on the first link that shows up, that is can't log in into Spotify. If you have forgotten the password, you have to scroll down and here you'll find a page, the first itself. If you don't remember your password, use this. Once you click on the link, here it will ask you for your username or your email address. If you have made it through your Facebook account, you can add your Facebook account email address and you have to click on this and type your email address. Once you click on that, it will send you a link to your mail address and you have to click on that link to reset your password, and then you can use the new password to log in your account and recover your Spotify account. If this video helped, please leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.